Hey, what's up everybody? It's Christian All here with eatlikeanapex.com. We're here in, I believe, Cupertino, California, checking out this restaurant called, what's it called?
Oren's Hummus.
Oren's Hummus, Mediterranean food. Heard some good things about it. My buddy told me to check it out, so that's what we're here to do. Gonna check out this food and vlog about it. So with that said, are you hungry? Because I sure am. Our founder, Oren, needs your help. His wish is to meet Apple's Tim Cook for coffee. Make his dream come true and get free hummus for a year. I would like to figure this puzzle out and get free hummus for a year. So today I ordered the hummus chicken liver. To be honest with you, I don't really like liver. The description is really cool. They have some caramelized onions with it. So yeah, try it out and see how it is when it comes out here. I've got to try that liver. I don't really like liver, but this is like I gotta try it.
I love this sausage. Do you like spicy? That definitely has a kick.
Oh yeah. Actually, that's really good.
I don't like it when it's too hot.
You get that texture from the liver, and they kind of sauteed it with a lot of the caramelized onions, and it kind of masks that. If you don't like liver, it kind of masks that flavor. And to me, it tastes really good because I don't like liver, and this actually works out. Have it with some of that bread here.
It's called Chai Time. That are my favorite.
Yeah, go for it. Do you like liver? Never had liver. Oh, first time for everything. Go for it.
This is actually what
first time my friend Amy has liver.
Is this like what?
It's chicken liver.
Is this what it is?
Yeah, right there.
Salud?
Yeah. How is it? Go ahead.
I never had liver, but I'm digging it with the onions. All right.
She likes it.
The name of the restaurant.
If you just Google so 32 row or.
Gotcha. Oh, that's cool.
Got a falafel here. How you liking your food?
Oh man, I'm loving my food.
Yeah?
Oh, definitely. Falafel. There we go.
Oh, the falafel. You can't go wrong with falafel.
No.
No. How you liking your food, Adam?
For row 34.
Does he have to say anything more?
So far, this restaurant has the thumbs up.
Which we learned Adam lived in Stockton for a while too.
Really? Adam?
There, I went to San Joaquin.
What? Oh, how long? Are these pickles? Here.
They're good.
We got all kinds of tidbits here. All kinds of little snacks here. To snack on. A little pickle.
I love the level of spice. Like I feel a little bit of
Sauce in it.
he was just lathering in sauce, but it was like this really spicy sauce. And he was just
The dude was a phenomenal drummer. He was on point. He knew it. I was analyzing what he was doing,
reached the drummer.
and he was just hitting on point, right? But what blew me away wasn't his drumming. Dude, he's a better preacher than he is a drummer. On top of that, yes.
All right, gotta take this big, huge, hefty bite here. Just done eating here. Hey, that green sauce is spicier than the red one.
Yeah.
So that green sauce is harder than the red one. I was late to catch on, and it's really hot. Yeah.
But I like the flavor of the green one. The green one is hot, but it's got good flavor.
Yeah, I definitely like the green one. For every bite, I had to pour both of them on.
That's how we should be doing it.
I'm gonna finish this meal, and my hand's getting tired, so talk to you guys in a bit. So we're about to take off here. The restaurant was good. So that restaurant was pretty good. We have our bellies full. A lot of these guys ordered the falafel.
Yeah.
I went with the chicken liver, and it was really good.
Hey, great food.
Great food.
A little small confusion.
Little confusion.
Just a little, but we're good.
You might want to hint separate check to them. Just a little hint. Anyways, just want to go ahead and end this video here. It was a good time hanging out with my friends here in Cupertino. They got to show me this wonderful restaurant with the good food. And so I hope you like this video. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you do like it. And hit that bell notification if you plan on subscribing and getting more updates. So with that said, peace out. One love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for more updates. Later. Bye.
Is your wife gonna eat food?
Oh! Where'd it go?
That was not pre-planned.
I almost forgot Shauna's food.